How to withdraw your money on Fidelity. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can tap open your Fidelity application. You can get it from your Play Store or your App Store. Once the application is installed in your device, just tap open to it. Starting off, you will have to sign up or signing into your account. If you have not yet, make sure to sign up for one. To log in into your Fidelity account, just enter your username and your password. Then tap on the Sign In button. Once you are in your Fidelity account, you have to navigate to the option of Withdraw Fund section. It will differ according to your app version. After which, you can choose the account you want to withdraw from and enter the amount. Select your preferred deposit method, linked bank account, new bank account, or check. Carefully review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. By this way, you'll be able to withdraw your amount on Fidelity. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.